Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can center text in Microsoft Excel. So that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before we get started, I just want to ask, like, if this is your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, as you can see, I already have my Microsoft Excel open up here. So yeah, we have this simple estimation that we have on here. So yeah, now let's see how you can merge or how you can center text in Excel, right? So you can center them in a cell, right? So let's say we have this email right here. So you want to center it. As you can see now, it's on the left here. So let's say you want to center it in these three columns that you just merged. So in our previous tutorial, I show you how you can merge cells together. So if you don't know how to, I will leave the link to that video in the description. But now I'm just going to show you how you can center text in a cell, right? So you have this. So now to do that, just click on the cell that you want to merge your text into, and then make sure you are on your home tab, and then come here. So if you were to click on this, and as you can see, you have centered it in your cell right there, right? So that's how you can center text in a cell in Microsoft Excel. So yeah, it's really simple. And then you can do the same thing. If you were to click on this, you have this whole cell. So just click on that, come to your home tab, and then select this, and then as you can see, you have centered it into a cell. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can center text in a cell in Microsoft Excel. So yeah, that's it. It's really simple. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you again in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.